That's crazy. I'm going to Universal for the first time since I was like a child. Because I do not remember anything. I remember Waterworld. I remember...
Oh, they still have Waterworld.
I know, that's why I got excited. Because I was like, oh cool. Because that's like the one thing I remember.
What's up, YouTube?
We are stuck in traffic. Like if we've been here forever. It's only been like 2 minutes.
Oh,
look at Voodoo Donut. This is how it's gonna be all day. Okay, I'm so excited. And we're not even in.
Recording?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And we're not even in yet. That's gonna be you.
I was gonna say that's gonna be me holding the thing.
The boom mic?
Yeah.
The boom operator?
Yeah, I'm gonna be that person that like bangs a person on the head with a boom mic.
You're gonna be like, yeah, we gotta reshoot.
I'll be like, oh shit.
Okay. I'm so excited.
I know.
Oh my god. Where are we going?
Put your pass away. I'm scared you're gonna drop.
I got it. I don't know where to go. You have to tell me. I'm a child.
Despicable Me's that way. Jurassic World's that way. Oh, Secret Life of Pets. Okay.
Where? This is so cool.
And then this is where you get the wands.
I'm getting blinded by the sun. We gotta come back at night. So I'm kind of just getting blinded.
Yeah, you go in there and they do like a little ceremony where the wand shoots.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
This is so cool.
And then here's
Wait, so where's the ride?
right here?
Oh my god.
So they're like, where's the ride? I'm like,
And then I just walked off.
turn around.
You're like, look. You're like, you can't miss it. It's right here.
And then this one's pretty cool too. It's just like a little roller coaster.
Dude, look at this design.
Yeah.
That was actually really cool, like that first drop. But then the screen kind of got me like dizzy for a second.
Yeah. Yeah, because
But it was really cool. Yeah. It was cool.
I like how smooth the transition is.
Oh, look at this. This looks like I'm photoshopped it.
Have you ever heard that thing where it's like, oh,
No. I feel like your algorithm is way different than mine.
yeah. Most likely. Oh man. But I love how
Dude,
smooth
that was
the
so cool.
transition for
It
that ride.
was.
Like
but
you
then-
don't even see like from screen to like actual
You really
set.
don't. You
Like,
really
you're-
don't.
It kind of takes you out of it.
Dude, with the
and you're
Dementors, I had my eyes closed,
like, yeah, me too.
and then I opened them, and it was that giant one in front.
Oh yeah. No, the spiders one, I never.
No, dude, I saw them
can't.
hanging. I was like, I'm not. I couldn't.
No, it freaks me out too much. Even if I want to open them, like I can't.
No,
I
I kept them closed. I just kept them closed.
I shut my eyes.
I was like,
so tight.
And I opened them, and that giant one was like, gonna get us.
Yeah.
I like that it has foam. Oh, it's good.
Were you able to try it, or did you get all the foam?
I think I tried the.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I tried it. I have to get a birthday pin before we leave. I have to get my birthday pin before we leave.
Well, it's just crazy to me that like the fact that they can probably buy out that golf course if they want to expand.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that golf course.
They really wanted to. All right, what's up, chat? Sabrina's girl. But we're gonna get on the studio tour. I don't know if we're gonna see Niall Horan. They're filming The Voice right now in St. Denis Medical, so we're gonna see who we see here. I don't think we'll see anyone, but
Real. Fire Station 51. We have our own police department as well as our own zip code. And that was pretty much our bread and butter here at Universal in the early days of the studio, the Western. Ooh, take a look here on your left, folks. You see that billboard? But I think it's time for us to kick back, relax, and go to the beach. Amity Island. Do, 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 do. Oh, I know what you're thinking. Shark? Yeah. Well, I can understand that because there's a shark right there on the pier. We caught it though, so it's all good.
No Schnapp.
Yeah.
No Schnapp.
Yeah, it's.
Did you pass the right now?
There's, okay, there's another. Seems to be another shark out there, guys. Okay, everyone, please remain calm. George is a very experienced professional scuba diver. Gonna take care of it right here. You know what, guys? We're gonna check back with George later. Yeah, we'll see you soon, George. In the meantime, everyone, please remain seated as we approach the dock. There's something out there. My heart's pounding. You see anything?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Wait, that buoy. Is there a bait in that buoy? Wait, he just took the dock.
My dog?
There he goes, Jaws, also known as Bruce the Shark. Once again, everybody, hold on. Notice how everything goes back to the original positions. We call those mechanical effects. World of Europe was seen as different countries. France, Germany, Spain. All we do is just change the languages. On the sides, we'll add different flags to the sets. Now you've seen this also in a few Disney productions, like Pirates of the Caribbean, Curse of the Black Pearl with Johnny Depp, And Princess Diaries 2, Royal Engagement, the scene with the parade with Anne Hathaway. And Universal is home to the classic monster movies, which influenced a lot of major directors and makeup artists.
Universal Studios Mummy movie, really scary. It's still ringing in our memories now. We love it.
Yeah, the original Frankenstein, starring Boris Karloff. One of the most iconic monsters of all time. And we created the bolts in the neck and the flat forehead look of the monster. That was done by Jack Pierce. We just wrapped season 28, and a few weeks ago they had the live finale. One of the coaches, the real cars are Fast and Furious.
You were Bam Bam.
Now, Norman Bates is the owner of the motel. And, wait, what's going on? I don't think he knows we're here. Well, he'll be back. He's so innocent. He would never hurt a fly. One second thought. Because that's Marion Crane. I don't know why she's wrapped up in a shower curtain. I think we better go now before he sees us. I don't. Oh man. Hi Norman. We're just gonna get out of your hair. Oh no. Let's get out. Let's get out of here. Up on the hill, the original house is still with us, folks. The house of Mother. Stars Anthony Perkins and Janet Leigh. And right around this corner, we're one of the most colossal sets here. In the back lot, this is the set for the movie called War of the Worlds. If you notice the houses at the top of the hill, those are real homes. This is their backyard view. This is a Paramount production using a real airplane, folks. This is all set decoration. And this was brought in from an airplane graveyard site near the Mojave Desert. Going from one UFO site to another one, we're going to show you Jupiter's Claim now. This was featured in the movie Nope, written, directed, and produced by Jordan Peele. And here's one of the stars of the movie, Keke Palmer.
Welcome to the world of no.
Sci-fi thriller, also stars Daniel Kaluuya and Keke Palmer as well.
Look at that. Another Starbucks. Dude, that building is huge.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so on a scale of wet to like soaking, what is it? Wet? Okay. Okay, I had to find Erika. She went into the Nintendo store. If it's like the Harry Potter one, no, the second one. The one like the short one, and I was like, this is it.
Oh, no. It's not gonna be like that. I just don't want to like. Yeah. It's so cool. Jump. No way. Erika. Wait. Oh. Are you hitting it with your head? Yeah. Oh, you got it. You're really smacking your head on it. Uh-huh.
Well, yeah, I have to do it. Okay.
Not with my head though.
I was going for realism. Dude, Bowser's Castle! Whoa.
Cheers. Cheers, I'm already like down here.
I know.
For action. Good afternoon, freedom fighters. And thank you for the warm reception. For those unaware, my name is Optimus Prime, leader of the Autobots. And I am here today to seek out your bravest, to ask your most courageous to align in our battle against Megatron and the diabolical Decepticons. Now, it seems like we've had our image on today. Let us begin next, and we shall find out who is more than meets the eye.
I wonder what they are filming there though. In the city one?
Yeah.